Hi guys, it's Sweet Tooth. Have you ever been in a situation, right, where you just cannot unscrew any of these? They're just, no matter what you do, there's just no way. Tried every tool in the book. Well, this is a handy piece of kit. This is a DSC International Impact Driver. It comes with a standard tin case and a few accessories on top. So we're gonna have a go. It's easy fit. Goes in there, and now all we need is a hammer, a couple of taps, and there you go. Try it on this one. Finally, we'll try it on this one. Now, if the head's too wide, there's always a thinner one, which is slightly, so we're going to use that one because that head's a bit wide. And that's it, guys. Simple as that. No problems. Thought I'd show you that. Great piece of tool. Good piece of kit to have in your arsenal. Just handy in general. Thanks for watching, guys. Hope you found this helpful. And why don't you like, subscribe. Catch you later.